Look who's back lately. The usual crabapple tree is dead. They usually come for crabapples, but there's a drought on, and the crabapple tree has died of thirst. We have water restrictions and everything. Aren't you lovely? Look at you. So gorgeous. Oh, my little favourite. Aren't you wonderful? Spectacular. My little flamingo. Well, there are other things to eat, but they can't eat Alei crab apples. The Alei crab apple tree has died. We've got to buy more. I'll buy some more crab apple trees this winter. Hold still. Hello, my beauty. Aren't you lovely? Focus. Aren't you gorgeous? Goes a bit purple around the edges, doesn't it, when it's magnified to 90. My little flamingo. I could put some apples under this tree, but I'm a bit worried that that cat might come. I feel so guilty if they're all coloured feathers everywhere. There's two of them. Where are you? There's a little drab one that's either a female or a junior male. Let's look at your feathers, at least if we can't see your face. There's your beautiful feathers. I could bring them a Granny Smith and a pink lady apple. There's the lovely tail feathers. These are King Parrots. The distribution map says that King Parrots aren't in our area, but they look like they're in our area to me. Little favourite of mine. I still haven't read the instructions now for this camera. I should. Maybe one day. Well, apparently these birds have got extra colours on their wings that are invisible to the human eye. They've got a sort of, I think it sort of looks, well, parrots have got one extra cone in their eye, in their retina than human beings have, apparently, so I was reading. So there are colours on that wing that human beings can't see, but other parrots can see. Did they say it was a sort of yellow or something? I'm not sure. I wish I had extra cones in my eye. I could see all the extra colours. I want to see those extra colours. I want to see and know those extra colours. Why can't I see the extra colours? I'm colourblind, aren't I? My beautiful friend. It's Sunday. I can hear lawnmowers going in the distance. We don't mow our lawns, certainly not on a Sunday. You're a bit dozy, aren't you? Look at you. You're a bit dozy. Hey, Flamingo. Hey, Flamingo. I might put an apple out for them. And I'll walk up and down all day to make sure that no cat comes. There are apples down the paddock under the Aleppo pine, but this is their favourite place, those birds, where they came last year and the year before. It's a pity about the crabapple tree dying. Anyway, that's the loquat tree they're sitting in. The loquat tree is a bit tougher than a crabapple. Hello, beauty. My little favourite. They've been around for the last few weeks, but I haven't seen much of them up close. I can hear them, of course. I know their song. And it knows I'm watching. That's the sound of a raven. The ravens and currawongs are coming, and they take all the apples for themselves lately. A male king parrot. A male king parrot. That's it. Show us your mouth. Open your gob. Show us your little tonsils. A male king parrot accompanied by a female or a junior male. Where are you? There you are. That's a green. The green one is a female or a junior male. So green I can hardly see it. It's a pity the sun isn't shining on their feathers. You could see the colour more strongly. My own private flamingo. I'll go and get them some apples. See you then. Well, here we are. I'll put some apple out for them. I'll just have to watch all day to make sure that black cat and that ginger cat doesn't come along. The neighbour's cats, there's a big black fluffy one and a big ginger one.